All right, so now that we've built out our master schedule, we've created a look ahead and we're committing weekly plans, you might be asking yourself, well, why am I doing this? Why am I committing a weekly plan? What that does, it gives us a line in the sand. It gives us a data point in time where we can track backwards what's happening on our project. What I mean by that is, as you saw in the previous video, we're able to track our reasons for variance. So we can show that at a project level. So at the end of our project, we can see, okay, we had a ton of change orders that delayed us, or a bunch of weather or equipment failures, whatever it might be. Maybe it's labor or material, supply chain issues. So you can track that and your reasons for variance. But another thing that you can track is your PPC. So that is your percent planned complete. And that's simply a yes or no question. So when you commit a weekly plan and you commit 4 tasks, whenever you progress those, if you do not meet that progress that you committed to, then that's a no. So our PPC would be 3 out of 4. We completed 3 of the 4 tasks that we committed for that week. So now we can start tracking how well we're planning and make adjustments likewise. Was it weather or did we overplan? We also have our PRR. So that's the percent roadblocks removed. So am I getting constraints removed in time so that it doesn't impact my master schedule? Again, this allows us to pinpoint areas where maybe we can do better, either identifying constraints ahead of time or creating an urgency to get them removed. Something else you can do to look a little bit deeper into your project, you can go into your roadblocks tab and you can see who's giving me roadblocks and what are the anticipation days. This one's -4. That's not good, right? They're giving me a roadblock 4 days after the fact. This one's 1 day ahead. Again, that's not good. We need more time to get roadblocks removed. That might be a change order, an RFI, something that might take a few weeks to get us an answer. So we want to be looking for that 10, 15, 20-day range when it comes to anticipation days. And we can use the analytics page to help us have that conversation with our team members. We can also track how well our planning is doing. So we can see, this is a terrible example, but we can see here, okay, I've got responsible users. I'm committing them to tasks. Are they getting them complete? So now I can start holding my trade partners accountable. So those are just a few things that you can do by using the weekly commitment. And then also in this analytics page, you're going to be able to see progress at the project level. So we can see actual progress, we can see baseline progress, and then projected. So again, we can also see kind of the historical average of our PPC each week. Same goes for our PRR. So those are just a few things that you can do at the analytics page to really help keep your thumb on the pulse of your project.